Actually have a Buxball, yeah.
You do?
Some prototype Buxball that's down in South Texas. Yeah.
Imagine owning a home for just $10,000. It sounds like a dream, doesn't it? For millions of people around the world, the idea of affordable homeownership feels out of reach, especially as housing prices continue to soar. But what if I told you that this dream is no longer just a fantasy? Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind Tesla, SpaceX, and countless other groundbreaking ventures, is turning this dream into reality with his latest innovation, the $10,000 house. Elon Musk is no stranger to tackling big challenges. From revolutionizing the automotive industry with electric vehicles to making space travel more accessible with reusable rockets, Musk has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Now, he's setting his sights on one of the most pressing issues of our time, the global housing crisis. With his $10,000 house, Musk aims to provide a sustainable, affordable housing solution that could change the way we think about home ownership. The concept is simple, yet revolutionary. The $10,000 house is designed to be compact, energy efficient, and built using cutting-edge materials and technologies. It's not just a house, it's a statement. A bold step toward a future where everyone, regardless of income, can have access to safe, comfortable, and environmentally friendly housing. This isn't just about building homes, it's about building a better future for humanity. In this video, we'll dive deep into Elon Musk's $10,000 house, exploring its design, features, and the potential impact it could have on the housing market and society as a whole. We'll also examine the challenges and criticisms surrounding this ambitious project and how Musk and his team are working to overcome them. By the end, you'll see why this isn't just another housing solution. It's a game changer. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the future of affordable housing. The $10,000 house is here, and it's about to change everything. The vision behind Elon Musk's $10,000 house is as bold as it is transformative. At its core, the concept is rooted in addressing two of the most critical challenges facing humanity today: the global housing crisis and the urgent need for sustainable living. Musk's vision is not just about creating affordable housing. It's about redefining what housing means in the 21st century by making it accessible, environmentally friendly, and aligned with the needs of a rapidly changing world. Musk envisions a future where homeownership is no longer a privilege reserved for the wealthy, but a fundamental right accessible to everyone, regardless of their income level. The $10,000 house is designed to be a solution for low and middle-income families who are often priced out of traditional housing markets. By drastically reducing the cost of construction through innovative materials, prefabrication techniques, and efficient manufacturing processes, Musk aims to make homeownership achievable for millions of people who currently struggle to afford a house. Ultimately, the $10,000 house represents a paradigm shift in housing, combining affordability, sustainability, and innovation to create a scalable solution for a better future. It reflects Musk's belief in using technology to improve lives and build a more equitable, resilient world. Elon Musk's $10,000 house, part of his broader vision for affordable and sustainable housing, leverages innovative materials and technologies to create a cost-effective, eco-friendly, and functional living space. The house is built using prefabricated modules made from lightweight yet durable materials such as steel, aluminum, and high-strength composites. These materials are chosen for their longevity, resistance to environmental factors, and ease of assembly, which significantly reduces construction time and labor costs. The exterior of the house is often clad in energy-efficient materials like insulated metal panels or fiber cement siding, which provide excellent thermal insulation and weather resistance. The roofing system may incorporate solar shingles or panels, such as those from Tesla's Solar Roof, to generate renewable energy and reduce reliance on the grid. This aligns with Musk's commitment to sustainability and energy independence. Inside, the house features space-saving designs and smart home technologies. Walls and floors are constructed using sustainable materials like bamboo, recycled wood, or low VOC volatile organic compound finishes to ensure indoor air quality. The integration of Tesla's Powerwall battery system allows for energy storage, ensuring a continuous power supply even during outages. Additionally, the house incorporates advanced HVAC systems for efficient heating and cooling, as well as smart lighting and appliances controlled via a centralized home automation system. These technologies not only enhance comfort, but also minimize energy consumption, making the $10,000 house a model of modern, affordable, and sustainable living. The $10,000 house introduced by Elon Musk has the potential to create a seismic shift in the housing market and society as a whole. Its impact could be transformative, addressing long-standing issues of affordability, sustainability, and accessibility, while reshaping how we think about housing and community development. 1. Disrupting the housing market. The $10,000 house could fundamentally alter the dynamics of the housing market. By offering a high-quality, affordable alternative to traditional housing, it could force developers and builders to rethink their pricing models and construction methods. This disruption could lead to increased competition, driving down costs, and making housing more accessible to a broader population. Additionally, the use of innovative materials and prefabrication techniques could set new standards for efficiency and sustainability in the construction industry. 2. Alleviating the housing crisis. The global housing crisis, characterized by a severe shortage of affordable homes, could see significant relief with the introduction of the $10,000 house. Millions of people worldwide struggle to find safe and affordable housing, leading to overcrowding, homelessness, and economic instability. By providing a viable solution, Musk's initiative could help reduce these issues, offering stability and security to countless families. 3. Promoting sustainable living. The $10,000 house's emphasis on sustainability could have a profound environmental impact. As more people adopt these energy-efficient homes, the overall demand for non-renewable energy sources could decrease, leading to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions. This shift could contribute to global efforts to combat climate change and promote sustainable living practices. 4. Economic empowerment. Affordable housing can be a powerful tool for economic empowerment. By reducing the financial burden of homeownership, the $10,000 house could free up resources for families to invest in education, healthcare, and other opportunities. This economic boost could lead to improved quality of life and greater social mobility. 5. Social cohesion and community development. The widespread adoption of the $10,000 house could foster stronger, more cohesive communities. Affordable housing can reduce social inequalities and create more inclusive neighborhoods. Additionally, the modular and scalable design of these homes could facilitate the development of new communities in underserved areas, promoting growth and development. Challenges facing the project, and how the team are addressing them. While Elon Musk's $10,000 house is an ambitious and promising project, it is not without its challenges and criticisms. Addressing these concerns is crucial for the success and scalability of this revolutionary housing solution. Here's an in-depth look at the hurdles Musk and his team face and how they are working to overcome them. 1. Scalability. One of the most significant challenges is scaling production to meet global demand. Building millions of affordable homes requires a massive manufacturing and distribution infrastructure. Critics argue that Musk's vision, while inspiring, may struggle to keep up with the sheer volume needed to make a meaningful impact. Musk is leveraging his experience with mass production at Tesla to develop efficient manufacturing processes for the $10,000 house. By using prefabrication and modular construction techniques, the team can produce homes quickly and at scale. Additionally, Musk is exploring partnerships with governments and private companies to expand production capacity and distribution networks. 2. Accessibility. Ensuring that the $10,000 house reaches the people who need it most is another challenge. In many regions, logistical barriers, lack of infrastructure, and bureaucratic red tape could hinder the delivery and installation of these homes. Musk's team is working on creating a robust distribution system that can deliver homes to remote and underserved areas. They are also exploring innovative financing options such as rent-to-own schemes and microloans to make the houses more accessible to low-income families. 3. Regulatory hurdles. Building codes, zoning laws, and other regulations vary widely across regions and can pose significant obstacles. Ensuring that the $10,000 house complies with local regulations without driving up costs is a complex task. Musk is engaging with policymakers and regulators to streamline approval processes and ensure compliance. The team is also designing modular homes that can be easily adapted to meet different regulatory requirements, making it easier to deploy the houses in various locations. 4. Quality and durability. Some critics question whether a $10,000 house can meet the quality and durability standards of traditional homes. Concerns about the longevity and safety of these homes could deter potential buyers. Musk's team is using high-quality, durable materials and advanced construction techniques to ensure that the $10,000 house meets or exceeds traditional housing standards. Rigorous testing and quality control measures are being implemented to address these concerns and build trust among consumers. 5. Social and cultural acceptance. The concept of a $10,000 house may face resistance from communities and individuals accustomed to traditional housing. Cultural preferences and social stigmas could impact the adoption of these homes. Musk is focusing on education and awareness campaigns to highlight the benefits of the $10,000 house, including its affordability, sustainability, and energy efficiency. By demonstrating the value and quality of these homes, the team aims to overcome social and cultural barriers. While the $10,000 house faces several challenges and criticisms, Elon Musk and his team are actively working to address these issues. Through innovative solutions, strategic partnerships, and a commitment to quality, they are paving the way for a future where affordable, sustainable housing is accessible to all. Elon Musk's $10,000 house marks a revolutionary step in the housing industry, combining affordability, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology. If successfully brought to market, it has the potential to redefine homeownership, making it accessible to millions of people who previously could not afford a home. This shift aligns with Musk's broader vision of innovation, sustainability, and cost reduction across industries. similar to Tesla's impact on electric vehicles and SpaceX's advancements in space exploration. One of the most significant advantages of Musk's affordable housing initiative is its potential to address the global housing crisis. With rising real estate prices, many people struggle to find affordable housing. If this compact modular home proves viable for mass production, it could provide a practical solution for low-income families, disaster relief efforts, and off-grid living. Additionally, its eco-friendly design, featuring solar power integration and energy-efficient materials, aligns with the growing demand for sustainable living solutions. However, challenges remain. The widespread adoption of these homes will depend on regulatory approvals, zoning laws, and public acceptance. Many urban and suburban areas have strict housing codes that may not immediately accommodate such small and unconventional dwellings. Additionally, large-scale production and distribution will require significant logistical planning to meet potential demand. Despite these challenges, the concept of Musk's $10,000 home represents a bold step toward reimagining modern housing. If successful, it could disrupt the traditional real estate market, encourage more sustainable building practices, and offer a more affordable lifestyle for people worldwide. Whether or not this home becomes a mainstream housing solution, it highlights the urgent need for innovative, cost-effective, and sustainable housing alternatives. As Musk continues to push the boundaries of innovation, this affordable home could be just the beginning of a larger movement toward a more sustainable and accessible future.